What's up everybody, Sammy here. This is the newest smartwatch from Warner, the Warner Magic Watch 2, which was just released 2 days ago, and I've been using it for almost 2 days since then. In this video, we're gonna have a quick look at what's inside, what's special about it, and my first impression. It's not going to be an in-depth review, we'll do that later. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Without further ado, let's get started. To connect the device, first you have to install HUAWEI Health from Google Play or App Store. Then click Devices, add the Warner Magic Watch 2 and pair. This should take less than a minute. Once connected, we're ready to check out what's inside the app. I gotta say the app is the best I've ever used for smartwatches. The interface is clean and intuitive. Most importantly, it analyzes your data professionally. Let's take sleep for example. It records every detail of your sleep, like sleep time, deep sleep, less deep, REM sleep, I don't even know what that, and all of this, even your nap time, and it gives suggestions based on your sleep quality. Bam! That's what we want, man. Anyway, let's move to the watch. For the basic gesture operations, it's basically not a big difference from other smartwatches. Long press the home interface to change different styles. Swipe down, get access to shortcuts like no disturb mode, alarm, settings, etc. Swipe up is the notifications. Swipe right or left, you can see the heart rate, stress, weather, and music, etc. Press the up button on the side, you can see all of the features this watch has. The down button is for workout. It has 15 goal-based fitness modes, including outdoor GPS tracking and swimming. What impresses me most is it even has 13 running courses. These modes are really in-depth, much more than simple step distance and time tracking those. Perfect for those who exercise a lot. Beyond all that, it comes with a voice assistant to guide you through your workout. Check it out.
Start the workout. First position, speed walk, 3 minutes. Try to keep your heart rate between 94 and 152 between. Workout paused. Workout ended.
It's surprisingly loud. Alright, those are the basics of this Magic Watch 2. Actually, there are lots of interesting highlights I didn't cover, like it supports customized watch face, you can upload your own photo from the gallery, or taking a photo. I know it's not a handsome one, but it's unique. And it has this music transferring feature because the watch has 2 gigs of storage. You can move your music from a phone to the watch directly, so when it's not connected, you can still enjoy your music. Sure, I will cover all of this in later in-depth video, stay tuned. Now my first impression of the watch. I actually have no feelings at the beginning for smartwatches as such nowadays, because you know, they're almost the same, nothing special, but as the more I dig into the Magic Watch 2, the more I like it. First, it's a 14 days battery life. I've used it quite heavily these 2 days, and it still has 90% left. Comparing to Apple Watch, the battery lasts only 1 or 2 days tops. Second is it has 50-meter water resistance and the built-in speaker and a mic. Last is this unbeatable fitness features, which makes the huge difference from simple fitness trackers. It's genuinely impressive. If you exercise a lot and look for a great new smartwatch to track your workouts, this Warner Magic Watch 2 could be the best device for you. It will give you more than you ever expect. So that's the video of the first impression of the watch. I will put out a detailed review later. Please stay subscribed. By the way, don't forget to check out the Geekbuying's Black Friday promotion. There are tons of coupons and deals going on. You don't want to miss that. I'm Sammy. See you next time.